Hey, it's Janelle from CandleScience. Today, I'm going to show you how to make wax melts. These are super easy to make, and unlike a traditional candle, you don't have to worry about open flames or smoke, which makes them a wonderful project for first-time crafters. To use, simply break off a wax melt and place it in a candle warmer. And since it's so quick to make melts, they're a great way for you to test blends and new fragrances. Here's what you'll need to get started. A 1-ounce bottle of fragrance oil. We used Moroccan cashmere for a fresh, woody scent with year-round appeal. Standard 6-piece clamshell. 8-inch glass thermometer. Small pouring pitcher. Wax melt warning labels. A 1-ounce bottle of the liquid dye of your choice. And BW921, a blended pillar soy wax. We chose this wax for its ability to take on vibrant colors, as well as its excellent performance in molds. But if you're looking for other options, consider Ecosoya PB or IGI 6028. After you've gathered all your supplies, start by melting the wax of your choice. Half a pound of wax will fill approximately 3 clamshell wax molds. Once the wax reaches 185 degrees, add 0.75 ounces of fragrance oil, which works out to 9% or 1.5 ounces per 16 ounces of wax. Anytime you add fragrance, make sure to check the appropriate fragrance load for your wax. Also consider the size and type of room where the wax melts will be used. For example, some scents may overpower a small room like a bathroom. At this time, you can also add dye to the wax. After you've added fragrance oil and stirred in the dye, the wax is ready to pour once it reaches the correct pouring temperature. Pouring temp varies between waxes, so make sure to double check the correct temperature for the wax that you're using. We poured our wax at 170 degrees. When you buy wax melts, they often come in a plastic clamshell mold, like this one with a snap lid. All you have to do is pour the prepared wax directly into the molds. Then, let the melts cool overnight. Snap down the lid and add a personal label if you'd like. As always, add the warning labels to the inside of the lid and refer to the manufacturer's directions for the warmer that you use. Feel free to get creative with your color and fragrance combinations and your labels too. The flat part of the molds are an excellent place to show off your branding with a custom label. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions or need additional support, feel free to reach out. We're always happy to help. If you liked the video, like and subscribe to stay up to date on all of our latest content, and follow us on social at CandleScience.